Hello everyone, welcome to the video.
Sai sabi kun piche para aishe सबके हिला बोले माँ कसम दे ये तो गाना होने के ना सब मानो आकीबी दिखाई दी वो आपने खान नागा मानु की ऐसे बाहर मानु की को भी इतु मोई ना जने मोई की खाई तकला की जाए माथा काटी के ना आया मानु ऐसे दे मोई का नागा मानु का भी कोई न हो दे.
Previous clip was taken from official video of song Naga Manu, a music video of Moko Koza, a rapper from Nagaland. Nagaland is landlocked state in the northeastern region of India. Its capital city is Kohima and its largest city is Dimapur. The state has an area of 16,579 square kilometers with a population of 19,80,602 as per the 2011 census of India, making it one of the smallest states in India. 27-year-old Moko Koza is from Nagaland, a talented rapper who is using music as a medium to highlight issues in the society and to promote his culture by using local dialects in his music and through international collabs. Koza first got into rap in 2005 when he got the Eminem's 8 Mile CD while visiting a CD store with his father. He was influenced by rappers like Eminem, Ice Cube, KRS-One, etc. In 2013, Koza released his first single Just My Imagination. This was followed by several other singles and collaborations. He has 1 million streams on Spotify, over 1 lakh subscribers on YouTube, and 35.3k followers on Instagram. We hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.